Yeah. Check this out. Welcome to Palawan. Hello.
Good morning once again. Good morning. Good morning. So for formality, so before we start or to continue to our
Ay, call center, tadigli.
so I just want to introduce first myself. Okay, so by the way, my name is John. So
Hi,
I will be your guide
John.
for today.
Hello, John.
For today, and of course, I have my culture guide. So Mr. Jerome, and of course the good bro is Ipoy, and Dexter. And there's other one there, Rap and Rain. I know, of course, you cannot go to the island without captain, okay?
Ah.
So our handsome captain is
Yeah.
Jack Sparrow.
Oh, pala.
Okay, Jack Sparrow Jr.
Ah.
Okay, so Captain GR. So we are
Oh, yeah.
four, six. So we are 7 on the boat. Are happy to serve you today, sir. Okay. So today we're going island hopping. Okay. So and do you have any idea what tour do we go today, sir? Any idea? You have no idea?
Five different islands.
Okay, don't worry. So I will tell you what we're doing today. So, okay, so today we're going into torture. You like torture?
No, no,
Tapat yan yun, di po.
Okay, so I'm just kidding. Okay, so today we're going to explore Torrey. Okay, so Torrey is the most of our destination or 5 places to stop. Okay, so we have Iglagoon, Secret Lagoon, a snorkeling area, lounge area, and the last is a 7 commandos beach, so just behind of this mountain. So that is our last. Okay, so another destination. We have only 42 1 hour to do your activity. Okay? So, but before we proceed to our first stop, it's I just want you to know that here in Aledo, we have some rules and regulations that we need to follow. Okay? So first, because we are in the ocean, we're in the middle of the ocean, so just maintain your balance.
Don't
The
get
boat.
wet.
Okay? So, because we are beautiful people. Okay, so just maintain your balance because you know last time some people didn't want to stay in the sun and they want to stay in the boat to the side. So on the boat is almost upside down. Okay? So but I don't want them to happen to us. Okay, so just maintain your balance. Okay. So and do not throw your garbage to the water. When garbage or rubbish, we have trash can at the back. So just put it there, right? Or you just put it to the left. Yeah, like plastic bag. Yeah, plastic bag. So right away, so put it there. Okay, and do not collect anything like the juice or the yeah, because you know, I know some people they always collect something when they want something or the beach, but they're not allowed. Because you know, in immigration, if you don't get visa, and they want something from your luggage or from your pocket, they will confiscate it. Okay, and now we are more on swimming, so just want to know who is non-swimmer. Any non-swimmer of this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Everybody here on the boat are not swimmers, so okay, so I'm not for that. Yes, I'm not alone. Thank you. For the non-swimmer, good luck. Good luck. Okay, think it's better you stay here on the boat for your safety for the whole day. So stay here on the boat. Is that okay?
No.
Anyway, we have bucket at the back. We have bucket at the back, so you can do a bucket shower. Okay, so just kidding. So for the non-swimmer, please, don't forget to wear life vest when you go down to the water. Okay, so always wear your life vest because you know life vest is your life if you're in the water. So make sure that you don't lose your vest. Otherwise, lose your vest.
You lost your life.
Lost your life. After that, I lost my job. Okay, so our first stop is Secret Lagoon. So it's about 3 hours from here. This direction. It's only 3 hours by swimming. But for the boat, yes, today. Secret Lagoon. Okay, so if you want to take pictures in front of the boat while we're running, so Jerome, just get your English is very limited. And available only in the morning and in the afternoon. So I hope that everybody can speak Tagalog because no more English in the afternoon. You speak Tagalog, sir? No? Okay, so that is your problem.